cool me down.
Yeah, right. Alright, we're gonna ride the mommy one more time. The third time. It's just so fun. With the fire that she's
No, she loves the fire.
Joking.
She loves the fire.
Do you have a crush on the mommy?
Yeah, she does. She has a
Yeah.
fun crush.
I saw you blushing. I could feel it from behind.
No, I like that one better.
Oh, that was. Oh man, you guys are. Wow. I don't think I did it correctly. Yeah, it looks a bit check. We're getting dinner now. Really? Guys, look at our necklaces. We're getting bracelet. Chicken and beef. Yes. Oh, it's not. Oh, yeah. Why is we on the table? We're at the weekend house or something. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Oh wait. Oh wow. Getting into it. We're here. What are your thoughts? Where do you want to go? No, I'll protect her. Guys, what are your thoughts? We're sitting at the side separated and we look like a mess. Who is that? conditions. Or just before we enter.
Guys, we're one chairs on left, but we're taking chairs from us.
And it's only 10, you know.
I want to stay there.
Oh yeah, her shoe fell out. Her sole. I gave him a little kiss.
Guys, so that is a transformer.
Yeah, I am a transformer. Yeah. There's no thoughts behind her eyes. The children. Another child. I'm so tired. Same. It's like 11 what? 11:30. Last ride, maybe.
Find the book of the living and kill him!
It's not working. We're stuck here. Yeah, it's not. It's legit not working. Oh really? 2:40. It's 2:40 a.m. And I'm delusional.
Where you are?
I'm hallucinating. We're gonna sleep soon. I think. I'm gonna sleep soon. Her hair is so messy. Yeah.
Flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, cloves, cinnamon. Half teaspoon. Whoa. Yum.
Wow. In the morning now.
What's up, Jane?
And we're baking breakfast. Pumpkin bread. We have a pumpkin here, half a pumpkin. We're boiling a pumpkin.
Prevent heat loss by convection.
We're making it. There's an N on your hand. Oh, it's so soft. 3, 2, 1. Here's the second bed.